Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make BTS off by default in BeReal. So let's get started. So to turn off your BTS in your BeReal, you have to follow this easy step. Follow the default. So just go into your BeReal app. Okay. So when you will just open, when you will just click on here, take your BeReal. So from here, if you click on just on here, so when you will just turn it one time off, it will uh, not turn on again and again. So by this way you can just turn it off one time your BTS mode, and it will be automatically defaultly like it will be turned off every time. So by this way you can do it, and if you have any question related to this, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.